What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli for another easy and delicious recipe. Now, today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make Jamaican jerk style wings. Oh yes, y'all already know. If you've been watching me long enough, you know I am a fan of jerk chicken. I love it. It's some of the best chicken I ever tasted. But the problem with it is that everybody makes it different. So you gotta find that one spot that makes great jerk chicken. But if you love it, I'm gonna show you how to make it in your comfort of your own home with this recipe. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. You already know whenever you're making that jerk chicken, guys, it's always a lot of ingredients because that's just the way the Jamaicans make their chicken. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I love me some jerk chicken and I do not mind putting this recipe together because it's always a beautiful thing once it's finished. And man, my taste buds are jumping around. Let me tell you what we have right here. So right here we have some orange juice, soy sauce, honey, salt, olive oil, cinnamon, thyme, allspice, cayenne pepper, some black pepper, some paprika, some nutmeg, star to show our wings, jalapeno pepper, some lime, ginger, garlic cloves, and an onion. Now, typically I use a white onion, but I don't have any white onions here, but I do have this red onion. So these are the ingredients, guys. So let's go ahead and move on. All right, so I've measured out the ingredients. Let me tell you what I have here. So right here, I have about 2 pounds of chicken wings. Right here, I've already cut and cleaned them. I have a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. I have a teaspoon of allspice. I have 1 tablespoon of paprika, half a cup of olive oil. I have 1/3 cup of freshly squeezed lime. I have 1 small red onion chopped. You can also use a white onion if you have, or even a yellow onion if you want. I have 1/4 of a cup of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of thyme, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I have 2 teaspoons of black pepper. I have 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey. I have 1 jalapeno pepper chopped and deseeded, and I have 4 to 5 garlic cloves minced. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is prepare our jerk marinade. So what I'm gonna do first is add our onions, our ginger. I hope this bowl is big enough. Add our jalapenos, our garlic. Let's add our pepper, thyme, paprika, our nutmeg, allspice, cinnamon, cayenne pepper, our salt, soy sauce, honey, orange juice, lime juice, and our olive oil. Looks like we should be okay. That's what I'm gonna do now. So I'm just gonna start giving that a good mix. Make sure you mix this well, guys. All right, guys, so this is what we have here. Now you could also, what you could do is you could also put this in a food processor or blender and get it all blended up. That's optional too. Me, I'm just gonna do it just like this. We're just gonna let it marinate, and after that, we're just gonna pull it out. All right, so what I wanna do now is I wanna take 1/3 cup of this and I wanna reserve it to the side so I can baste the wings while they're cooking on the grill. So I'm gonna take about 1/3 cup, maybe a little bit over 1/3 cup. I wanna make sure I have enough. Yeah, that'll be enough for me to baste it right there. A little bit over 1/3 cup. And I'm just gonna marinate this. I'm just gonna keep this in the refrigerator. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna come back and introduce our wings like this. All we're gonna do now is just take our marinade, pour it here over our wings just like that. We're gonna get this baby closed up. We're gonna let the air out of it. And we wanna make sure we get all this goodness all over these chicken pieces. Man, take a look at that. Oh man. All right, so this is what we have. So we're gonna let these marinate overnight, and then we're gonna come back, add them to the grill. You can also put them in the oven if you want to, or air fry them, but we're gonna take these babies out on the grill, Jamaican style, All right, so I'll see you guys in 24. All right, so we're 24 hours in. Let's take a look at what we have, guys. Man, take a look at that. Look at all that flavor in there. Man. All right, so what I'm gonna do, or what I'm doing now, is I have the grill going out there, getting it all fired up. So as soon as it gets ready, we're gonna head out to the grill. All right. All right, guys, so now we are outside, about to place these wings on the grill. Now there's some construction going on outside across the street, but we're not gonna let them stop us from putting these wings on the grill. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding them. Of course, I got my Vortex here. Shout out to Mike. I always gotta shout him out for telling me to grab that. And these wings are pretty small, which I like. I don't like the big wings. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna, let's put them, I like them, have them skin side up first. All right, here's our last one. All right, so since these are smaller wings, I'm gonna let them cook for 20 to 25 minutes, but we're gonna take a look at them throughout the cooking process and turn them maybe about every 5 to 10 minutes, all right? All right, guys, so we're about 10 minutes in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start flipping these babies over, and we're gonna let them go for probably for another 10 minutes on this side. Man, they're looking good. If you got bigger wings, you probably wanna cook them a little bit longer. But again, these are not that big. So we're just gonna keep them in here for about 20, like I say, 20 to 25 minutes will be enough for these. All right, so I'll see you guys in about 10 minutes. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to go ahead and baste these babies right now with some of that sauce that we had. And we're gonna allow them to cook for another, I'm gonna cover them up after I baste them here for about a minute. And I'm gonna turn them over and then do the other side. And then we're gonna be out of here. All right, so now we're back. So we're gonna turn these babies over. I hate when I mess up my skin. All right, so we're gonna get these babies basted on this side. All right, I'm gonna cover these up for about a minute and two, and I'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and grab these babies off of here now. We are done. So go ahead and put these in our bowl like this. Man, this fire is still hot. I'm gonna have to put something else on here. This fire still hot like this. All right, guys, let's go ahead and move on to the kitchen. All right, guys, so this is what we have. Take a look at that. Look at how good. Oh man, look at these babies. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get them in a bowl or on a plate, and we'll be right back. And there you have it, guys. Jamaican jerk style chicken wings. Yes, yes, yes. Guys, if you're a fan of Jamaican jerk chicken, this is a great alternative. Guys, I'm not saying that this is authentic jerk chicken because it's not, but they use similar seasonings in their recipe. But so if you're looking for something with that jerk flavor, this is it right here, guys. So the measurements and ingredients are all in the video description below. Go check them out. Also, purchase that ebook, guys. Man, that thing is hot, man. It's going off the shelf like hotcakes. Appreciate everybody that's supporting the ebook. And until then, guys, let's go ahead and get into quality control, because y'all know I love me some jerk chicken and I gotta get a bite. All right, let's go. All right, guys, you already know it's quality control, the best part of the show. And look at the star of the show. Look at those jerk wings. Oh man, right. Let's go ahead and start. You know, I'm gonna start with a drum first. That piece of skin fell off. But let's go ahead. Man, just that skin, that charcoal flavor. Oh. Man. Yeah, I love these small wings like this. Man. These babies are hitting. Try flat. Juicy, tender, like I say. I left these on the grill for about 20 to 25 minutes. So if you got smaller wings, don't leave them on that long, because you don't want to overcook them. I'm telling you, these babies are juicy. I mean, you could, wow. This is good. Like I said, These are jerk style chicken wings. I'm not saying they authentic Jamaican jerk, because I know some people gonna get in the comments and say, that ain't authentic Jamaican chicken. Shut up. I didn't say they were. I said they were jerk style. You go to Taco Bell and you ask for tacos, and them ain't real tacos, all right? You go to Pizza and ask for a pizza, that ain't a real pizza. Ask the Italians, and tacos ask the Mexicans, all right? So these are jerk style chicken wings. So guys, check out the ebook. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Y'all want me to taste another one? Yeah, I heard somebody say they want me to taste another one, so let me taste another one. Man, this is delicious. I don't even know why I left off on that sentence, but I'm gonna go ahead and end it. Until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything. I am the Wing King, and I am out. Peace.